Hello friends, welcome to my channel Programming with Ryan. In this class, we have learned that how to build a Navbar hover using HTML and CSS. And I hope you enjoy this class. Enjoy, like my video, share your friends, subscribe to my channel. So, let's start. How to hover the Navbar? Okay, so I will tell you this how to make it. So I will not take a long time. So let's start the video. So now I will make this. So I will go to the here, and here I will go. Here I will open with I will go choose another app, and now here I will go Sublime Text Editor. So I will open with Sublime Text Editor, Control A, erase it, zoom the code, and now here I will go. Only I will make it save here, refresh. So I will done our work. So I will go to the here, and here I will write HTML done our work, and I will erase this all meta tag, and now I will erase it. So I will give him title. Title should be Rayyan. So मैंने दे दिया okay Rayyan. Okay. So I first of all Rayyan. Yeah. So now till here my work is done. So I will go to the here. Here I will write script, and script should be here I will erase it. So first of all here I will write src. Src will be at https, and now here I will go, and here I will write kit dot font awesome font awesome.com slash none 940 e06486.js. Now till here my work is done. So I will space it cross or region. So here I will write cross or region. So I will spelling is incorrect. So my spelling is incorrect. So I will erase this, and here I will also erase this. So JS. Just now here I will write. So till here my work is done. So I will go to the here, and here I will go, and here I will write JS. So first of all here I will write that, and here that. So now here I will write cross origin, and now here I will write that, and here I will write anonymous, and now here I will write enter press and now here I will go style and style, and the styles enter, and here I will write margin should be 0, padding should be also 0, enter press, and enter press in 12. So here only 12. So till here my work is done. So now here I will enter press, here I will write body, enter press, background should be 00, enter not, here enter, div, enter press, justify content should be center, display flag should be height should be 100 react, enter press, now here I will write UL, enter press, and now here I will write enter press, and now here I will write UL first of all here I will write UL, and my UL should be display, should be flex, version should be auto, and enter press, and here I will write ULLI, enter press, width should be 100 pixels, enter press, height should be also 100 pixels, and enter press, list style should be none, and now here I will go enter press, justify content should be center, border will be 3 pixels, solid select 2E86DE, and now here I will also enter press, margin should be 20 pixels, display should be flex, align item should be center, border radius should be here I will write border radius should be 50%, and go to the here, position should be relative, and now here I will enter press and enter press ULLII, and now colors will be here. I will go to the down and here my color. So color should be 2E A 2E 86 DE 2E 86 2E 86 2E 86. So I will erase that 2E A6 2E A6 DE. So till here my work is done. 2E A6 DE and enter press, and now here so here I will not write hashtag, so I will here I will go, and now here I will write enter press ULLI/after, and now here I will write content will be that, and now here I will write position will be absolute, height will be internet, and now here I will write enter press and enter press. So here I will write width will be also width will be internet also. Enter press background color is 2E86 DE also. Enter press border radius will be 50%. Enter press, and now here I will write transition will be my all. Transition should be my all. 0.5 second linear, and linear. Now here enter press Z index will be -2, and here I will write opacity should be 0. Enter press, and here I will write ULLI should be hover, and after. So now here I will write opacity should be 1, and go to the down. Transform should be scale 0.8, and now enter press. So no enter press, so here I will enter press ULLI, and now here I will write hover effect, and here I will write hover effect. So now till here my work is done. So here I will write this and enter press, and now here I will write color will be FFF, and now hover effect, erase it, and here I will write I, and now go to the down another, and now my code is and now here I will write enter press, and H1 should be justified, content should be centered, align items should be centered, color should be black, and margin should be auto. Enter press, position should be absolute, top should be 700 pixels, and now letter spacing should be 3 pixels, and now here I will enter press. Transition should be 0.3 second linear. So now till here my work is done. Enter press H1 should be hover, and hover enter press text decoration should be underline, and now here I will write enter press, and here I will write color should be also 2E86 DE, and now till here my work is done. H1 should be font family, should be Montserrat sans serif. Now till here my work is done. Save here and here I will go back. Now refresh. So here is commit, but my icons is not coming. So why my icons is not coming? So first of all I will go to the down. So also down is also code. So I will enter press, and here I will write UL. So first of all not UL div, enter press UL, enter press I, and Li, and then I, and now here I will write I class will be fa/solid, and now here I will write fa/2x, and here I will write fa/hard, And now till here my work is done, and space 8. And now here is copy in 2 and copy it, paste it, paste 4 times, and F is solid. So here F a solid, F a global. Here is heart, so erase it, globe. And now here is also heart, erase it, and here is gift. And go here you can erase it, and here is star. So till here my work is done. So UL and UL down, H1, here I will write made by Rayyan. So here you can write any text, okay. So I will save here, refresh. So here my hover effect is come, but my icon is not coming. So I will see why it is not coming. So I will go to the circle. So my icon is not coming. So I will see it. First of all, I will go to the here. So first of all, I will erase this. So first of all, my icon is also not coming because I will go to the Google, and here you can write font awesome, and click here. So you can so I will tell you, first of all, you can make an account, and here is option kit. Okay, so first of all, you can erase it, go to the here, and now here you can give any email address. So like I will give like pro_with_rb3421@gmail.com. Shankit code. So here is come. So I will open, not now, I will go to my Gmail, and I will go to my Gmail. So my Gmail is open. So here is come. So here is not come my. So I will give a 3 pro_with_rb 1243. Okay. So I will write pro_with_rb1243@gmail.com. Send it code. So now refresh it. So here is code is come. Confirm your email address. Here I will go, and here I will first of all give him password, any password, Rayyan Bake 1243, and here I will write Rayyan Bake 1243 and send password. So tell us about. So here I will write Rayyan. Here you can write Rayyan Bake. Here I will write 2022, and here I will write any phone. Let's go. So he will reloading. So now, so here is coming. Okay, here. So I will copy it. Go to the here, and go to the here. Go to the top. Here I will paste that. And now here I will erase that and save here, then go, then refresh. So it is come. Here you can see it. It is easy. So here you can see it easily. I will make Navbar hover in HTML and CSS. Here you can see it. And I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy. Like my video, share your friends, subscribe to my channel. So for today, goodbye.